initiates disciplinary proceeding against former AIGP GK Yangrai on police vehicle scam. Meghalaya Police observes Police Commemoration Day. District Tuberculosis Officer, East Khasi Hills District organizes food distribution support scheme for TB patients. And Pala should introspect on Congress members leaving party, says UDP legislator Lakshman Rimboy. And now for the news in detail. Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy has said the government has already initiated disciplinary proceedings against the former Assistant Inspector General of Police GK Yangrai as per the mandate of the rule in this particular case. Rimboy said the article of charge has been submitted and now the disciplinary committee will look into all aspects. Earlier, the Meghalaya Lokayukta has summoned former Director General of Police R. Chandranathan and Meghalaya Police Officer GK Yangrai in connection with a complaint asking the panel to probe the misuse of vehicles in the police headquarters. It may be mentioned that the complaint on irregularities in the procurement of vehicles and other anomalies was lodged by Trinamool Congress spokesperson Sakit Gokhale.
Monitor exactly what is the inquiry all about, but the duty is to find the truth. And as I said, whatever report they have been submitted, the article of charge which have been submitted, the disciplinary committee will look in all these aspects and action as and when they finish, if proven, will be taken, action will be taken.
Meghalaya Director General of Police Dr. L.R. Bishnoi today led to the police personnel in paying homage to the police who died in the line of duty on the occasion of Police Commemoration Day by placing a flower wreath. A total of 264 police personnel were martyred during the past year in the entire country. Every year, the country lauds police officers who were martyred while serving the nation as it celebrates Police Commemoration Martyrs Day in their memory. DGP interacted with the family of police personnel who made supreme sacrifice on the line of duty. Meanwhile, the police personnel of West Giant Hills District also observed the Commemoration Day at Police Reserve Administration Building premises. The Superintendent of Police West Giant Hills District, Bikram D. Marak, MPS, along with his police personnel, paid their homage to the police martyrs. The Office of District Tuberculosis Officer East Khasi Hills District yesterday organized a food distribution support scheme for TB patients at Social Service Centre Bishop House, Lankra, as part of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukh Bharat. Speaking to reporters, District TB Officer Dr. J. Karwanlang said that the State TB Office has started its community engagement to find a donor for the TB patients to give their patients nutritional support during their duration of treatment. Dr. Karwanlang informed that the TB office has found around 8 donors now catering to 74 patients right now, even as she said that it is a long way to go as there are around 1,300 patients at present taking treatment. The program also aims at sensitizing about the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program and the newly launched Pradhan Mantri TB Mukh Bharat Abhiyan.
East Khasi Hills, we had started where it is a community engagement, whether we have to find a donor for the TB patient to give nutritional support in the food sector by giving them every month for during their duration of treatment. Most of them 6 months, 9 months, then 1.5 year treatment. So we have found in East Khasi Hills, we have got around 8 donors now, and it's catering to 74 patients right now. So we still have a long way to go because in East Khasi Hills we have around 1,300 patients at present taking treatment.
The United Democratic Party has questioned the leadership of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala. As a cabinet minister and UDP legislator, Lakshman Rimboy has asked Pala to introspect why all Congress members are leaving the party as soon as he took charge as the party chief. Talking to reporters, Rimboy said in Pala's presidency of the state Congress, the party lost all its MLAs and even the prospective candidates who were likely to contest from the Congress are running away. Meanwhile, Pala also alleged that Rimboy has embarrassed his own party by failing to control his home department as well as education department. He was targeting UDP on tear gas incident. Hitting back at Pala, Rimboy, who is a former Congress leader, said due to Pala's mismanagement, the Congress continues to suffer.
I think he should introspect why all his colleagues ran away from him. As soon as he comes to the state, the Congress lost all its MLA, and even the prospective candidate whom they have already selected that they may contest from the Congress. As of now, they are run away to other party.
I think Rimboy has really embarrassed his own party, where his own party demanded his resignation, and his own party, his own departments is fighting with another departments. The home departments under him, education department under him. So home department tear gassed the education department, the teachers and all.
Suspended Congress legislature party leader Amprin Lingdo has expressed disappointment at the manner in which the Congress presidential election was held. She said Congress could have handled the election a little bit more elegantly. She said if a very senior congressman like Shashi Tharoor sees that there has been some deviation from the prescribed norms, then she would go with him.
I would feel that if a very senior congressman like Shashi Tharoor ji sees that there has been some deviation from the prescribed norm, then I would go with Shashi Tharoor ji, because I happen to know him personally, individually. But it's very sad to see that again this controversy rises.
The Umyam police yesterday morning received the information that there has been an abandoned local taxi vehicle on the middle of Umyam main bridge bearing registration ML05Y7753, which was driven by one Skemborlang Karmoplang of Molai Mautawar, and during the search at the location, it was suspected that the driver might have committed suicide. Immediately, police from Umyam Fire and Emergency Service, along with the special rescue team and police from East Khasi Hills, reached the spot to find or retrieve the body. But till today, the police could not manage to find the body. Till now, it is not confirmed whether the missing driver has committed suicide or fled from the spot where the vehicle has been abandoned. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 23.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 13.9 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 45% and in the evening 49%, rainfall nil, forecast weather will remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Government initiates disciplinary proceeding against former AIGP GK Yangrai on police vehicle scam. Meghalaya Police observes Police Commemoration Day. District Tuberculosis Officer East Khasi Hills organizes food distribution support scheme for TB patients. And Pala should introspect on Congress members leaving party, says UDP legislator Lakman Rimboy. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.